Change management involves preparing, supporting, and helping individuals, teams, and organizations navigate change smoothly and effectively. It's essential for ensuring the success of large-scale projects and strategic initiatives. By managing change well, you can minimize resistance, ensure smooth transitions, and sustain the benefits over time. One of the biggest challenges in change management is dealing with resistance. People naturally resist to change, and managing this resistance requires a specific set of skills and strategies. A well-structured communication plan ensures that you convey the vision, the benefits and impacts of the change clearly. Tailoring messages to different stakeholder groups based on their specific needs is essential. Equally important is a reinforcement plan to ensure that changes stick. This involves regular monitoring and reviews to prevent old habits from reassuring and to reinforce new practices. Sustaining change requires continuous monitoring and improvement. Regular evaluations and surveys can provide valuable feedback on how well the change is being implemented and where adjustments may be needed. Key skills for change managers include strong people skills and communication abilities. Understanding how people respond to change and managing those responses effectively is crucial.